If you're running Amazon PPC campaigns and underutilizing your auto campaigns or treating them as one-time setup, you are leaving both the data and the revenue on the table. My name is Tahir Mahmood and I am an Amazon Brands Manager at Upscale Valley, a full-service Amazon FBA agency. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to fully optimize Amazon auto campaigns for keywords discovery and get the maximum ROAS. We'll uncover campaign structuring, bid strategy, keywords harvesting, negative targeting, and how to integrate these efforts with listing optimizations and retargeting. Let's get straight into it. Auto campaigns are not just for the beginners, they play a vital role in keywords discovery, ASIN harvesting, and identifying what is working in your listing. But most sellers run auto campaigns without refinement, and that leads to a poor targeting, irrelevant clicks, and wasted ad spend. When optimized properly, auto campaigns drive visibility, sales, and usually better ACOS. Amazon auto campaigns consist of the four targeting types, as we all know: the close match target search terms closely related to your product, and the loose match targets broader loosely related search terms. Then the substitutes shows your ad on the competitor product detail pages, and then the complements places your ads on the listing of the complementary products. So the each type behaves differently, and that's why they should be managed separately. So the step one is segmentation. Create one campaign for the each targeting group. So this gives you a full control over bidding, data analysis, and optimization. Set separate bids for the each group. Start with low control budgets. Use dynamic bids down only to avoid overbidding in the initial phases. The typical performance hierarchy looks like this: the close match performs the best, followed by the substitutes, then the loose match, and then the complements are at the bottom. So this structure allows you to identify and scale the winners and pause or adjust the underperformers more quickly. And once your auto campaigns are up and running for at least 7 to 14 days, analyze the data, and if a group is delivering conversions under your break-even ACOS, gradually increase the bids to maximize the visibility there. If the spend is high but the sales are low, reduce the bids or cap the budget for that specific target or that campaign. And if the CTR is high but no conversions are happening, so that's a sign of misalignment. Either the targeting is off or the listing needs improvement. The goal is to shift your spend towards the segments that convert more and minimize the wasted ad spend. Auto campaigns are your data engine. Regularly pull the search term report and extract the high converting search terms, move these into manual keywords campaigns, and then you can extract the high performing ASINs, move these into manual product targeting campaigns. And you also can identify the irrelevant or underperforming search terms, add them as the negatives in the auto campaigns, or you can also add these keywords as negatives in other campaigns as well. Unfiltered auto campaigns can waste a significant portion of your budget. After analysis, add negative exact keywords for a non-converting search terms. Add negative ASINs where your ad is showing but not converting well. A key point is, do not immediately add your good performing keywords or ASINs as negatives after moving them into manual campaigns. Wait until the manual campaigns are scaled and converting consistently before doing so. Auto campaigns performance is directly tied to your listing quality. Amazon uses your title, your bullet points, and backend search terms to determine where to show your ads. Make sure your listing has keyword rich titles and bullet points and uses backend search terms effectively. So listing should include A plus content with alt text for indexing purposes and should be visually clear and conversion focused. A poorly optimized listings leads to irrelevant impressions and poor return from auto campaigns. Once you identify the top performing ASINs from substitutes and complements, retarget them manually. So this gives you control over bids, placements, and allows you to dominate competitor listings where your product has an edge. Retargeting through manual product campaigns based on auto data is a high ROI strategy that most sellers overlook. Optimization is not a one-time task. So monitor your campaigns every 3 to 5 days. Look for the targeting types with declining performance and opportunities to increase budget for the profitable targets, and identify new highly performing keywords or ASINs to harvest. This ongoing loop of refinement is how you keep your campaigns profitable in the long term. So when optimized correctly, auto campaigns are the best way to gather data for scaling and the ranking purposes. Structure them well, bid smartly, and harvest wisely, and keep your listing fully optimized. That's how you transform your auto campaigns from wasted ad spend into high ROI performance. Alright, so in this video we have discussed that how you can utilize your auto campaigns to harvest and identify your top performing keywords, and what are the best practices for the optimization for auto campaigns, and how you can utilize the auto campaigns for retargeting the keywords and the asins in the manual campaigns. Still, if you have any kind of questions regarding the auto campaigns, drop down into the comment section. I'll help you out.